Hello, welcome to Researcher's Help. So this video is explain about like a simple circuit with LED connections and the circuit JS working principle. So first of all, we have created 110 LED connections with the help of transistors and LDR, light dependent resistor. So we have automatically on off switch. So that design is presented here. So I have show these files. It's a CircuitJS is a open source and it's okay. First of all, what we have design means is a 9 voltage source, a DC source, and it's nothing but a variable resistor. Actually, this 20k resistor we have using a LDR, light dependent resistor, and this thing is nothing but our normal resistor, so it's act as a voltage divider. So from this voltage divider it goes for the base of our NPN transistor. So this NPN transistor is connected to this section. So this direct connection comes under the red color LED with 330 ohm resistance. So we have totally red color LEDs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and green color is blue color is 2. So this also NPN transistor, this also NPN transistor. So how the working principle is goes on? So simply, so when the resistance is very low, that means when the sun light intensity is very high, then the LDR resistance is very low. It's acts like a short circuit. So when it's acts like a short circuit, this base voltage is higher than the threshold limit. So when this achieves the greater than threshold value, this thing is the switch is on condition. So when it's on, you simply consider the ground is present here. So when the ground is present here, then automatically all red light is blink or start to glow. And second thing is, when this happen, so this output also we have taken to, this output also in another NPN transistor. So is a 1k is nothing but is a pull-up resistor. So the pull-up resistor is the default value is high value, but when you this value is comes under dominate, then it's automatically this switch is off conditions. So that means it's a ground, so this switch is automatically off condition. So initially on condition. So when I run the code, then you have understand. So before that, what are the output voltage we need? So I need this voltage, output voltage means just right click, within new scope, and if you want this, you just right click, within new scope. So two scope is present here. So I have shown voltage and current of these sections. So when you run this code, so when you see, so now this time is both the LED is on conditions. So when I increase the resistance little bit, when you increase the resistance, then this voltage value is decreases and automatically this two thing is off condition. So I have given the higher value like 3.9k, I just assign 5k. So now what's the condition? Just see the, so now this time that red LED everything is off condition. That means when the intensity is high, then it's automatic light intensity high, then automatically the LDR resistance equal to 0, nearest to 0. So that time it's glow the blue color LED. Otherwise, so I have assigned high value. So just little bit high value. Just see the difference. So this LED is slightly fade off, then it shows 0. So other LED shows brightening. So this is the concept you have. Create the code. So create the simulation model using CircuitJS. It's so simple for, it's mainly used for student or beginner level. So it's very useful for do it yourself project. Okay, so this is the design. Then we have shown the hardware implementation also.